Today I am going to unbox the Nerf gun Blastro. So let's get started. So guys, here I have the gun. So let's unbox this. First let me read the content on the box. Here they are saying include 10 pieces of soft bullet in total. Built-in storage for bullets. This is the built-in storage. And this is the illustration. First we should load the bullets, then pull the lever back and take aim. Second, trigger and fire. Here something Blastro naming here. Manuals of bullet gun. Here they are saying some warning. Choking hazard, small parts not suitable for children under 3 years. Precautions. Peligro, something it's written in another language which I don't know. Tested according to international standards, not suitable for children under 3 years due to small parts. Caution. To avoid injury, do not aim at eyes or face. Only use original soft bullets supplied with the product or sold separately under the Blastro brand. Do not modify the bullets or any components of this product. They are showing that there are two types. One type is sticking one and another type is this type one. Here there is Blastro manuals of bullet gun branding. So let me start unboxing. On opening I got the bullets, 10 bullets. There are 5 in like this type and 5 are this type. I'm going to unbox the gun. Opening. So guys, this is the hot fire gun. It's superb guys. First we should pull the lever until we get. Then 3, 2, 1 launch. It is superb sound. 3, 2, 1 launch. Now let me load these bullets. So guys, I have this type of bullets. There are 5 in number. And this type of bullets, there are also 5. So guys, let's test this. Let me load the bullets. This 1, 2. I'm keeping all types of bullets here. 3. This is the 4th bullet. And I'm going to load this bullet into the knee. So guys, this is done. So let's go out and test this. So guys, now I have this gun. So guys, now I'm going to show you how to shoot. First, pull the lever until you get this sound. Then aim. I'm going to aim camera. So guys, 3, 2, 1. Let me shoot this way. 3, 2, 1, go. Guys, there was a bullet. Now let me take this sticky one out. Pull the lever. 3, 2, 1, go. Guys, here this has been stick. Let me take the third bullet. Let me put. That's superb, guys. First, guys, first and must, you must pull the lever. Otherwise, bullet won't go. I'm pressing. 3, 2, 1. Push the lever. Then